Hey YouTube, I'm here today to show you the new knife I got. Well, it's not new, but I just recently got it. I traded it for a camera that was broken. He didn't know it was broken when I traded it to him. But, I got it from my friend Slater. It's a husky utility knife. It's actually a really nice knife. It's opened. It's about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. Um, it just has regular razor blades. There's the latch right there. Close it. Um, it's really loose. That little tab right there makes it easy to open. Hold on. I'm sorry. Yeah. To replace the blade, you press up on that little tab and you take out the razor. Okay. Nice little work knife. I use it at my job. I'm a box boy at a mechanic shop. So yeah, nice little knife. It's obviously very sharp because it's got a razor blade, but really rusty. I like it because it's got a nice little pocket clip. Like I said, good work knife, good utility knife. So yeah, I would recommend buying one. They're, from what my brother said, they're around $5. So yeah.